Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Honda CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, moonroof, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, MP3 player. Your new ride is just a phone call away.